Don't fall off the back of the chair. Calm down. Calm down. Good girl. Good girl, Wilton. Good girl. We gotta teach the puppy sit. So sit. 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 Good boy. All right, come on. Hey, what's up here? What's up here? You got. No, you can't take his. It's right here. Gator. Hey, Benny. Yep. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Well, she didn't realize she did it. Hey, let's try it again. Sit. Good girl. Yeah. Poor Gator. He's just trying to nap. Them babies won't leave you alone. Missy temper tantrum.
Yeah, she's literally moving in every one of them.
Yeah. She sees a CAT. What do you want? He looks so done. She just licked his eye. Oh, she gave up. He don't want to snuggle.